Hello and welcome. Today we're making a spiral Valentine's topiary tree. As always, we appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. So we start off with a $2 pool noodle, and you'll just want to cut that in half. Then once you have your noodle cut in half, tape both of the ends together. Then we'll take some snow blanket and we'll wrap that noodle up. Just put little dabs of glue along the way just to keep it from falling off the noodle. And here we're using a 4-foot, 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch nailing stick. You could use a dowel, but these are cheaper. And just wrap some snow blanket around that, and we'll be using that as our tree trunk. Just insert that through some styrofoam in an urn, and we have the base of our tree. And we'll just take that noodle and we'll tape that on top. Then just start to wrap that around the tree and tape down as you go. Just tape on the back or in one area only as you go as well. And of course, try to get a nice little curve around there so it looks like a tree. And try to keep the distance about the same as well. So as you can see here, we're going down about 2 to 4 inches each time we tape, and we're just taping on the back of our stick. Then when you reach the bottom, take any excess and just fold it down into the trunk of the tree. Then we'll start to wrap the noodle with our garland, and you'll need 6 lengths of this garland, $2 garland here. Just wrap it up nice and tight against itself, and you can put little dabs of glue here and there just to keep it steady. And here we have our heart ornaments. We're just using some paper clips here to use as hangers because they didn't come with any. So it's a quick little adjustment. And we have 16 ornaments, so you'll need 16 paper clips, and just unfold them like this. So you have 2 little ends, one will go on the garland, one will go on the ornament. Then when you're hanging them on your tree, just readjust the garland a bit so it hides the wire so it has a nice clean look. So just start with one, whichever one you like, the shiny one or the sparkly one, and alternate as you go down around the tree. And if you don't have any heart ornaments, you could always use nice silk roses and attach those on here. And if you're really creative for St. Patrick's Day, if you want to wait a couple weeks after this, you could put shamrocks around it. This is a really easy and fun project to do. Anyone can do it. It's very affordable, super fast, and super fun. And it's just something a little different to decorate for Valentine's Day. Then once you've finished hanging all your ornaments, we'll just tidy up the bottom with some snow blanket. Tuck it inside the urn there and wrap it around the tree. Give it a nice clean finish. Thanks for crafting with me today. I hope you give this a try, and we'll see you next time.